Hey, what's up guys? Nathan here, Bluestone Farms. It's starting to get a little layer of ice on the water tank there. Starting to snow here pretty good. We're supposed to get about 5 to 7 inches of snow today. I think it's supposed to snow into the evening pretty good and overnight. But came down here to check on these guys. These guys look like they're hanging out in the snow here. And came down here to check these guys out as well. You guys enjoying the snow? Seems like they were doing okay with the snow. This is definitely their first time on our farm in the snow. I definitely know that they've seen snow before on the other farm they came from. Maybe we'll get a bale of hay for these guys. They act like they're wanting one. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright. I'll give them a fresh bale of hay for right now. Still got water for the time being until it freezes. It's not supposed to get terribly cold. It's, even though it's snowing and it's coming down here, it's only currently about 33, 32 degrees. And then I think it's only supposed to get down to like 26 tonight, which isn't terribly cold. So not too concerned with this freezing too hard. It's going to freeze a little bit over the top, but I can come down in the morning and break the ice off of the top of that water. So we're good there. It's a little dark in the shop here because of all the snow on top of the ceiling. Not letting much light through. Let's go ahead and run up top, and I want to check on that pregnant goat, see if she's showing any signs. She's been outside kind of hanging out. She's not, from what I can tell, it doesn't look like she's really showing any signs of labor right now. So doesn't mean she's not though. So I'm gonna go up and take a quick look at her. I haven't gotten up there yet today to take a good look at her. So we might have to do it this way. We might have to give them a little bit of grain in the stall because I don't think she's gonna want to go back in there right now. I think she's kind of hesitant going in there. But if I feed them in the stall, hopefully, knock on wood, the other goats will go in there as well, and then she will go in there. Okay, so I went ahead and felt Daisy's ligaments, or felt for them, and I don't exactly feel them. I don't know if that means babies are coming soon. Hang on, let me get these goats out of here. Y'all gotta get out of here, come on. Y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta go. Come on, come on. Y'all too. Y'all gotta beat it. Y'all gotta beat it. Y'all gotta beat it. Y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta go. All right. Daisy, a little bit of grain here. Alright. Man, y'all think y'all just own this place. Out, 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 out. You two. You two. Out, out. Thank you. Move. Hey. Hey. Should we dump it on them? Yeah. They don't listen. Up there. And that fell off. Y'all gotta move. Coming through. Thank you. Alright. Yes, I know, mamas. I know. I can definitely tell, even just from yesterday, her belly has definitely dropped a little bit more. She's not really eating, and she's being fairly quiet. And she's usually a quiet goat anyways from what I've seen here. Excuse y'all. I swear, you would think that these goats absolutely starve to death here. They don't get a fresh bale of hay every other day at least, and they don't eat grain every other day at least. You would think that they just starve to death here. Look at them. Alright guys, I'm gonna probably cut this off here. I'm gonna leave her in this stall. I'm gonna go get her a bucket of water as well. If something happens, I'll add on to this. I'm gonna leave Daisy in here. Hopefully she has her babies. I'm not sure she's going to. I put her in here because I did not feel her ligaments. It doesn't mean she's gonna have them right now. It doesn't mean she's gonna have them tonight. I don't know. But I could just tell by the way I walked up. It looks like, the way she looked at me, it looked like something was up with her a little bit. So I'm gonna give her the time and space in here, get away from the other goats, kind of hang out here. I got grain. I'm gonna go get a bucket of water for her. But if she has these babies tonight, then I'll add on to this video. But if not, make sure y'all like and subscribe. Helps me out on my end. I'll catch y'all at the next one.